Since the start of the premium trading signals group, we have had over 11 winning trades and over a 70% win rate. So if you want to join this group and learn more about trading crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comment for both the Telegram and the Discord group, where you can find more information on how to join the signals group. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend. And welcome to this video in which we're going to do a full overview on Ethereum for next week. But also for today, obviously still. But there are some, we're just going to do a full technical overview, full fundamental overview, just everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. This weekend has been relatively quiet. It's not over yet, of course, but you can also see in terms of volume, we've had quite a drop. It's now at about 2.8% of the market cap in volume, which is not to be worried about, but it's yeah, it's interesting to see, I guess, since in the last or since the beginning of 2023. Weekends have actually been pretty volatile. All right, but what you can see is that yesterday we quickly spiked down to the support level at 1560, 1540, where you can definitely see that there's a lot of support. I mean, still this trend line coming from all the way down here is, even though this is not the strongest trend line, because you can see that we have, I mean, we've had strong third touches off of it, but we've also broke through it quite a number of times. So that's coming up. Apart from that, what makes it stronger is that it has that 1540, 1560 level area within it, which is a strong support level. I mean, you can also see that technically and in the history. Right now, though, I mean, in the short term, it just, to me, we look quite bearish. And I think the overall sentiment has changed in the market. A good way to look at that is to take a look at the dollar strength index. You can clearly see that we have almost reversed, and the last real confirmation we need is breaking above 105.6. If we break above that, the dollar strength index has reversed, and then officially, I think Ethereum is also going to be bearish because of that. I mean, I think last week with all the economic numbers that we got last week, but also the week before, I think the fears of inflation and recession will take over a little bit more. And that's also why I'm becoming increasingly more bearish on Ethereum. For now, though, we have not confirmed that Ethereum is bearish yet. All right, right now we found resistance at this resistance level around 1600, as you can see. So I think we'll be dropping down, maybe find some support at 1580, but I think we'll drop down to that level here at 1560 and 1540. And I think initially we will hold that as a support. The big thing is, though, that if we want to confirm that Ethereum is bearish, we need to break down below that. So do I see that happening? Not very quickly. I think it's more likely that right now we'll fall down, but that we will get into some sort of a consolidation between 1540 and 1610. And just to be honest, right now I think analyzing is quite difficult, because I really think we're kind of in the middle of being bullish and bearish. I could definitely see it happening that we will become bullish again, but I just don't think it's the most likely scenario. I mean, the main thing we would need to do is right now drop down, find support at that level at 1560, and that the trend line is strong enough to propel us above 1600 again. And after which we would get up to 1650. Is this realistic? Yes. I just don't, maybe I'm too biased right now, but I just don't think it's the most likely scenario given the economic climate. But for example, something like this would be very well possible if the dollar strength index, which you can more clearly see on the daily, if it finds resistance right here. If it finds some strong resistance, then something like this is very well possible. I just think at this point of time, it's more likely that we will drop down to that level and start some sort of a consolidation between 1540 and 1600. And then from there, I will update you again tomorrow. I'm expecting some big moves, or at least I'll update you again tomorrow. For now, this is what I think, but we're probably going to get some big moves either later today or beginning of the morning in Asia on Monday. So we'll have to wait for that, I guess. I mean, as I said, we're really in the middle of being bullish and bearish, and we're just at the market structure, in my opinion, is quite weird, but perhaps I should refresh my charts. But yeah, for now, I expect us to drop. So that's my take on Ethereum for now, for the rest of the weekend and for early next week. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.